New stylish latest plant pot covers are a simple pattern for the crochet plant pot cover. Works with yarn and crochet hook appropriate for your yarn stitch mark. Yarn needle. Start with a magic ring, chain one work single different work 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring, then pull tight to close 6 stitches and place a stitch mark in the last stitch of each round. Increase in every stitch around 12 stitches, and like single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat around 80 stitches, different styles, and continue increasing until the base is the spread size for your plant pot. And once the base is large and large size and large designs work even now, increasing for several rounds until the cover is still new for your pot. And I hope you like it my video. You can add texture or design elements by incorporating different stitches or color changes. Optional. Create a decorative edges by working around of a different stitch pattern. Fasten off and wave in ends. Adjust the pattern based on the size of your plant pot. Feel free to get creative with colors and stitches. Happy crocheting. So guys, take care and bye bye. See you.